guys, I'm coming to you looking crusty, dusty, and musty because we are doing an apartment tour of my new space. This is my empty apartment tour. It's still a few things that's in here, but I'm trying to get it before the movers come in. Yeah, so it's the baddie all trade type of vibes. The next month or so is going to be all house stuff, DIYs, decorations, and all that. And then I'll give the final tour so you can see everything later. So yeah, let's go right into it. Okay, you guys, this is the stuff I brought with me. This is my apartment door. And then you walk into the living space. There's a nice closet here. And in this closet, it's just like, ooh, child. I've never done one of these. Like storage space. Okay. And then, of course, that's out to the hallway. Here is the space. Those are the windows. This is actually a nice little gravel view. That's cute. And then the kitchen is here. That's my bag. Super cute kitchen. Every time I see a white refrigerator, I think a white refrigerator. So I am gonna cover that. That is gonna be a video DIY. The lights work. That's nice. Oh, it's a fan. Oh. So yeah, nice little fridge or whatever, but we're gonna cover that up. Boom, boom, boom. And then the other way, behind the front door is down the hallway to the bathroom. Oh, there's one on the closet. I think I'll use this as a coat closet since it's like right by the door and it's super spacious. Here is the bathroom. The bathroom is gonna get a complete DIY. New floors, new back, these tiles. I'm gonna do a new one. Like, this is gonna be a big DIY project, so I can't wait to do that video with you guys. And then here is the first bedroom, which I will be using as my daughter's bedroom. And then here, down this way, is me and Bay's bedroom. Our closet is a little smaller than the others, but that's okay because we have that bigger room space, so that'll work. But this is us. I love my new space. So dope. You can see better. I'm gonna do one more walkthrough. We're super excited. This is a quick ass video. It's probably gonna be like 5 minutes, but see you later.